Hello, my name is Nevis and I'm going to show you what I see in the Moodle course, Develop a Moodle Course, that I'm doing with Integrating Technology with Dr. Nellie. Let me just start. I'll just close the block drawer and just start from here. So I've gone in, I've logged into my account. As you can see, I'm logged in. I don't want to log out right now. I'm going to go through what I see. So in the center here, I can see all the course sections, the overview of the course, the orientation, the live online meetings, open forum, week 1, week 2, week 2 completion, week 3, course completion, week 4 showcase and reflect, and certificate of completion. I'm hoping to get that at the end of this course. I'm really keen on developing my own Moodle course and furthering my knowledge in how to use Moodle and also improving my Moodle skills. So as you can see, I'm in the middle section. Let's go over to the left hand side and I will open the blocks on the left hand side. As you can see, there are some green buttons, so some things that I've already completed and some things that I do still, lots of things that I need to complete. So this is the left side, the overview of the course, and as you can see, it basically gives me everything that's in the middle, but with all these sub headings underneath, so I can see everything in the left hand blocks. So let's go over and have a look now at, again, this is the center. Let's go over and have a look at the right block drawer, and I can see here the latest announcement, so it gives me an idea of what Dr. Nellie has been posting for us and where I need to go next. If I go down, I can see that tomorrow there's going to be a webinar, which is week 3, and as you can see, it's on at 4 p.m. my time, because I went into my profile and actually updated it to the Rome, Italy time. So it is at 4 p.m. in Rome, Italy, when I think it's going to be 10 a.m. for Dr. Nellie, for example, giving the webinar. Then I can go down and see all the activities here. I can go down and see that I'm at the moment the only online user, and that's probably because of the time zone difference here in Italy. And then if I keep going down, I can see that I haven't got any badges yet to display, so I'm keen on getting at least the badge for week 1 today. I've leveled up to level 3. This is the gamification area. I'm number 29 on the list, so let's hope I can keep growing there as well. And then further down here, you can see my completion progress. I'm at 23%. So this is something that I've not completed, which is what do you see? And hopefully at the end of this demonstration, I'll be able to upload the video to YouTube, share that in the forum, and I will have completed that, and then I'll continue with the rest. So basically that's all from me to see how this Moodle works. So I can go in and see all about the course, which is where I am here. I can go in and click on the participants. Let's do that just really quickly. And here I can look up all the participants, actually click on them and find out their details. If I want to write to them, send them a message, etc. I can go into the badges and have a look at all the badges that will be available for this course, and here they all are. They begin at week 1, and it gives me the criteria I need to complete to get that first badge. Then there's the second badge, third badge, and fourth badge, and then there'll be the certificate. So with that done and said, let me go back to the beginning. Thank you for listening. This is Nevis signing off till next time.